The height of a solid cone is 30 centimeter, and a small cone is cut off from the top of it. First, let's draw a cone here. Say there is a cone, and then there is a small cone is cut off from the top of it, such that the base of the cone cut off and the base of the given cone, this base, are parallel to each other. So we cut off this cone from it. Fine. If the volume of the cone cut and the volume of the original cone, means the volume of this cone upon the volume of the original cone, is in the ratio of 1:27. Find the height of the remaining part of the cone. Remaining part of the cone. Height of this part, we have to find this part, this length from here to here. Okay. See how will we be able to do it. I'll put a proper figure here first. And see, before we move on, I'll tell you how to do this. It has been labeled PAB as the original cone. Height of this cone from the vertex would be PO. Another cone which has been cut out is PCD. Intersecting it at O dash, this is O dash. The ratio of the volume of PCD and PAB is 1:27. And the height of this solid cone is, the big cone, the entire height is given as 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Okay. Small cone is okay. Then let's see how to solve it here. See, if I see these two figures here, that is this CD is parallel to AB. So if I take the triangle here PCD and PAB, I can say that the two triangles are similar. How? Because these two lines are parallel. If the two lines are parallel, then these two angles would be equal. These two angles would be equal. Fine. So by AA, the two triangles are similar. If the two triangles are similar, then we can say, or we can say in this case, don't go for that, we can go for this triangle, is better. This triangle and this bigger triangle here. Both have got 90, 90, and these two corresponding angles equal. By AA, the two triangles are similar. And if the two triangles are similar, then we can use, that will be PO dash upon PO is equal to O dash D upon OB and PD upon PB, but we don't need the last one in that case. So let's see how do we do this. We'll write here, in triangle formed PO dash D and triangle POB. What do we see? They are similar. How? Angle. Which angle? Angle PO dash B D is equal to angle POB, and both are equal to 90 degree. At the same time, angle PDO dash is equal to angle PBO, and that is equal to, because of corresponding angle. What is that? Corresponding angle. Fine. Now, so by this we can say triangle P O dash D is similar to triangle POB. Now, once these two are similar, we can use a lot of things coming out of it. What is that? It means that length PO dash upon PO is equal to O dash D upon OB. Now, what is that? PO dash is nothing but, you can say, is the height of the smaller one, and the bigger height is h. Like this, take this as h, this one, okay, and this is small h. This is small r, and this is capital R here. Okay. Now, fine. Now we can say here PO dash is h upon this whole thing is capital H is equal to small r upon capital R. Keep this as a record, we will use it. Now coming to what they have given. They have given here that they have given the ratio of the volume of the smaller cone to the bigger cone is 1:23. So what is a volume of smaller cone? So volume of smaller, and say V1, and volume of other one is V2. So what is that? What is the formula? 1/3 pi small r square small h, and the other one will be 1/3 pi capital R square and capital H. When we see that, these two will get cancelled, pi will get cancelled, and what do we get? R square h upon R square h, and that is equal to how much? The volume 1. What is volume 1? Is 1, and volume 2 is 27. So it forms an equation here. Fine. Now we will use it. So we will write here, from here we will write. So R square h. Now I can write it separately here. R square upon capital R square into h upon, this is capital H. Sorry. Capital H is equal to 1/27. What is R upon small r upon capital R is what? H upon h. So at the place of this I can write here, or we can further write like this: R upon capital R the whole square into h upon h is 127. Sorry, 1/27. Further we can write, what is R upon R? This is h upon capital H. So we can write h upon capital H the whole square times h upon capital H, this one, is equal to 1/27. Further we can write here h upon h and r, h upon h, they are square and this is power 1, it will become h upon capital H the whole cube is equal to 1/27. So if we do that, it becomes h upon capital H is equal to 1/27 under root, and that will give you h upon capital H is equal to 1/3. No problem. Now what is the value of h? They have given you, they have given the height of the solid cone is 30 centimeter, capital H is 30. So we can write here h upon 30 is equal to 1/3. So what is h equal to? Small h is equal to 30/3. So this is h is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we got this h is 10 centimeter from here to here. But they're not asking that. They're asking you height of the remaining part. We are asking you this part. What is this? So to calculate that here, so we can subtract from the total. So we know that h minus h will give you the remaining part, which is the question. So what is h? This is 30 minus 10 is 20. So what is that part here? That remaining part of the height is 20 centimeter, and this is the answer in it. Okay, so I think that was only the question that we had to find. So we were supposed to find the height of the remaining part of the given. Okay, so this is the answer that we have.